GoPro 10 has hit the market recently, and it has gotten some significant improvements over GoPro 9. So the question is, what about DJI Osmo Action? Previously, we have seen that the Osmo Action has several edges over GoPro 9 in terms of performance. But what about now? Will DJI come up with Osmo Action 2 to compete with GoPro 10? Well, the good news is that DJI will launch DJI Osmo Action 2 very soon, and we have some confirmed leaks in our hand. So with that being said, let's unveil the mystery of the DJI Osmo Action 2. The first confirmed news about the DJI Osmo Action 2 was accidentally revealed through a video published by Peter McKinnon, which was later spotted by Mo K. From the box, it is evident that the DJI Osmo 2 has reached its final stage. Everything appears to be in good shape and ready to launch, so we might get it in our hands anytime soon. According to Drone XL, the DJI Osmo Action 2 will launch on the upcoming 27th of October. Now, if you look closer at the box, you will notice that the upcoming Osmo Action 2 will be cube-shaped, which reminds us of GoPro Hero Sessions and Polaroid Cube. Another thing that comes to our mind soon after seeing the box is the modular design. It seems more like what we have seen in the Insta1 R system, in which the modular design lets you change the lens, battery and other things according to your preference. If the upcoming DJI Action 2 comes with the same modular ability like the Insta360R, it would definitely have an edge over other action cameras in the market. Besides, have you noticed the name? It says DJI Action 2. So DJI is dropping Osmo from the product name, just like they have done with the DJI Pocket 2. The same cube-shaped form factor was also mentioned by Jasper Ellens in a tweet. Full specifications of DJI Action 2 was also revealed in that tweet. According to the leaked specs, the DJI Action 2 will feature a 1x1.7-inch CMOS sensor, which is definitely an improvement over the 1x2.3-inch sensor on the previous version. A bigger sensor means an overall performance boost, particularly in low-light situations and at higher ISO numbers. Speaking of ISO numbers, version 2 might offer an ISO ranging from 100 to 6400. Another exciting upgrade has been spotted in the video specs, as the DJI Action 2 is going to shoot 4K videos at 120 frames per second, which was previously 4K at 60 FPS top. So if that's true, you can now enjoy 4x slow motion videos in 4K. Rumors also state that the Action 2 will have a lens with the same aperture 2.8, but this time you might get a field of view of around 155 degrees. Other than that, everything else is going to remain as it was in the previous version. So that was all about the latest leaks and rumors about the DJI Action 2. So clearly, DJI is going head-to-head in the action camera market. And if those rumors are true, DJI will have a larger sensor than GoPro Hero 10. Though still not par with the resolution that GoPro 10 offers, the larger sensor, improved ISO, improved fields of view revealed in those leaks will give Hero 10 a tough time. So what are your thoughts about the DJI Action 2? Let us know in the comment section.